Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a project share for you guys, and also I thought we'd do something a little different today. I'm gonna do a review also on my nail gel that I've been applying myself, and I know some of you have mentioned you liked the color, and I really love the colors. I can't lie. I love the pastel colors. I've never really had yellow nails before, and I've always wanted to try it. Now, the nail gel that I used was the one I hauled from Amazon. The only thing is, oh, and excuse my nail here, I picked on it. I was trying to get some off my cuticles, and anyway, it peeled off, and I peeled a little bit off. So anyway, don't mind the boo-boo. Okay, so let me get back to my review. I love the colors of the nails, and I've only tried the yellow so far. And this is the brand right here. It's by Rosalind, and it is a gel polish. So you do need a UV LED light lamp to cure it. So the colors are beautiful. But I did have to do several coats, you guys. So the gel polish itself is very thin. Even though it doesn't look thin, when you start applying it, it is very thin. And I had to do at least probably like 4 to 5 coats. Yeah, it was a lot of coats. I couldn't get the streaks off, because it does leave this brush streaks on it. So again, I had to do several coats. So that's my only gripe about it. I do love the colors once you put several coats. If you don't mind making it nice and thick and doing several coats, then I would recommend it. However, yeah, I think that's just a little too many coats. Usually I do like to put at least 3 coats. But I do like the fact that I was able to peel it off really easily, so that's another thing. This is the light source, the UV LED lamp that I do use, and it works really well. And I bought it as a bundle, so it did come with other things. I bought it on Amazon, so I'll see if I can find the links, and if they still sell them, I will put it in the description box. And it did come with the top coat and the base coat, as well as I think a few nail polish. We also bought some nail polish. So I can't remember. So the first time I tried it, my daughter and I tried it. Yeah, it was kind of epic fail, I've mentioned before. And so I kind of put it aside. But, we invested so much money on it, and I thought we'd go ahead and give it a try since we are in quarantine right now, pretty much. And I can't get to my nail lady. I thought I'd go ahead and do it myself, and it's perfect because I didn't expect to be staying at home. And I bought this, a while ago, with the intention of doing my daughter's nails. So, because I usually go to the salon to get mine. But I do love the colors. Like I said, the Rosalind brand is also very inexpensive, so that's another pro. This is going to be the next one that I use, and it is a different brand, and it comes in the little pods like I showed you, with the applicator, which it's not this one right here that's inside the box, but anyway, it comes in the little pods, and you're supposed to apply it with the applicator that they give you, which is like a brush. So, and then I'll give you my review if I do like this particular nail polish. And here is the applicator that it comes with. So, and again, it wasn't too bad. I think I spent maybe 25 on this particular set. The other one was around the same, maybe 20 something. Again, very inexpensive, definitely worth it if you're doing your own nails. So, and I do like to change up my nails anyway, so it usually grows out in a couple of weeks, and then I'll have to get it redone again, which I can never get to my nail lady in 2 weeks anyway. But this way I'll be able to do it myself now. And like I said, it does peel off nice and easily, and I don't have to soak it. So anyway, that is, again, my nail review, and just stay tuned. I'll try this one, and then I will give you my honest review next time. Okay, so as promised, I am also going to share a little project, a quick little project with you guys. And I've been making pom-poms. I mentioned it before, I just haven't really showed it. And I came up with a cute little project that I think you guys might find fun, and here it is. Isn't it adorable? It's a little Mickey head, and I put it on a clasp there so I can hang it. It could be a purse charm, if you will, if you like. And I did a couple of other colors. This one right here, I did in a different yarn. This one is cotton yarn, which I do not recommend. It just doesn't fluff up like the acrylic yarn. The yellow one I think is my favorite, and it came out just nice and fluffy. And of course you do have to shape it, and it is 3 different pom-poms, so you do the big one, and the medium size, 2 of the medium sized ones for the ears. And there's tutorials out there. I'm not going to do a tutorial on this because I'm not an expert on these little pom-poms, but I'm sure you can find a tutorial. Here's the first one that I made, actually, the pink one. Of course I had to do a pink one, and I did struggle with this one. I had to change the ears a couple of times, or well, one time, just because I was using the smaller pom-pom maker, and I would recommend the medium-sized one if you have the little pom-pom maker set that comes with 3 different sizes. So anyway, that's it. I hope you guys liked my project share and my review. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.